Okay.
Yes.
Oh man, lad suddenly. Oh man, no. Oh man.
And you're saying this is where I belong.
This is your home.
Okay.
I
This
wish I could remember it.
is
It's understandable that you can.
a...
You were still newly formed when you left us.
It's going to be a chicken farm.
An infant. Yes.
I suspected as much.
I made this 100% myself. No YouTube, no tutorials. Yeah, it's not fully working yet. This is just what I've made that now. As you see, it just goes through there. I hope it picks up those items. No, I'll have to redo that. Goes up here.
He really is happy to be here.
That won't work either. Yeah, I messed up. So yeah, you get to watch me try to do this. So as you saw there, it actually put up the saddle that I placed in the hopper. But now it needs to dispense into the dispenser, which will shoot it out into that chamber where the chickens are going to be. So yeah, I'm going to try to do this. So, since it left a few things, I don't care about that. It would have gone around the thing and got them.
Whether the shuttle can get us back there or not.
So
is
yeah,
a question at best.
another test. Yay. That was bad. How do I do this?
By assuming the various shapes surrounding you.
Does it have to be under?
Why would I do that?
Let's talk about that. That was a Rhett and Link
To know it may
Good Mythical Morning reference. If you don't know them, check it out. They don't know me in any way, but they told people. They really told people. So yeah, the YouTube is Good Mythical Morning. They do lots of cool videos. So yeah, if you're actually watching this, check it out.